The armed forces of Russia and Ukraine reported updates from front line in the last 24 hours. The gunfight continued in some places June 10th. Close to Artyomovsk, Donetsk People's Republic, 5 enemy attacks forward Kleshcheevka, Dubovo-Vasilyovka, Yagodnoye and Andreevka, Donetsk People's Republic, have been successfully repelled by the Yug Group of Forces. No incursion into Russian defense has been allowed, said Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman. The enemy losses were up to 230 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 5 motor vehicles and 2 D-30 howitzers. Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman, said in total, the armed forces of Ukraine lost 441 fighter jets, 238 helicopters, 4,563 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 air defense missile systems, 9,841 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles. Also 1,122 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 5,071 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,856 special military motor vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side, the armed forces of Ukraine, in an official statement said Russia lost 890 servicemen in a single day, including 8 tanks, 7 armored fighting vehicles as well as 15 artillery units and 16 drones. In total, Moscow have been losing 214,660 servicemen since their launching full-scale aggression into Ukrainian territories. Ukrainian forces have advanced up to 1.4 kilometers in different sections of the Bakhmut front over the past day, Cherevati, spokesperson for the eastern grouping of Ukraine's armed forces, said on June 10. Cherevati claimed that 138 Russian soldiers were killed and 236 wounded over the past day in the Bakhmut area amid the Ukrainian localized counterattacks. This statement was followed by footage of destroying Russian BMP-2 with Stugner ATGM. President Volodymyr Zelensky said that Ukraine's long-awaited counteroffensive against Russian forces is already ongoing. Zelensky added that the generals are feeling positive about the outcome. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 473 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!